Hi everyone, welcome to the June Roundup. Today we're covering updates you've been waiting for with notifications and recommendations. We also have updates around our hate speech policy and harassment on YouTube.
As always, you can find links to everything we talk about today below. It's been an important month for YouTube, so let's dive in. Our teams over here have been working really hard to make our notification system work better for everyone.
When a user subscribes to a channel, they have three options to receive notifications: all, personalized, and none.
By default, you're set to personalize when you subscribe to a channel, which replaces the occasional bell. A lot of you have asked, what does personalized mean? And it differs by person. In this setting, notifications are customized to each viewer based on your watch history, how frequently you watch a channel, how popular certain videos are, and how often you open notifications. For those of you asking, why don't you make all the default? Well, we asked ourselves that too. So we tested it out and found that people felt like they were getting too many notifications, so more people were turning notifications off altogether. Creators, we also added a couple new notifications-related metrics for you in Studio Analytics.
Now, creators will be able to see what percentage of their subs have opted to receive all notifications, as well as how many subscribers are eligible to receive notifications.
Based on initial reactions, you're happy with the new insights you're getting. Our work on notifications isn't done, so please keep sharing your thoughts and we'll continue to make improvements. You've told us that you want more control over your recommendations, and we've heard you. We've launched a number of updates to help you fine-tune your feeds. If you're on Android, you can now explore topics and related videos on your homepage and in your up next suggestions. Generally, we've been getting a lot of positive feedback from you about this specific feature. Daniel produced a video showing you all the ways to influence your recommendations, so click the link in the description if you're looking to further improve the videos you see on Home and Up Next.
Hate speech is one of the most complex and constantly evolving areas we deal with on YouTube. After months of work and research, we made several updates to our hate speech policies. First, we made changes to our community guidelines, resulting in the removal of more hateful and supremacist content on YouTube. Second, we reduced the spread of content that comes right up to the line but doesn't quite violate our policies by limiting the recommendation of borderline videos and raising up more authoritative content. We strengthened enforcement of our existing YouTube Partner Program policies and will no longer allow channels that repeatedly brush up against our hate speech policies to be in YPP and earn money on YouTube. A lot of care and effort goes into major policy decisions like this one, with process playing out over the course of many months. We consulted with experts in subjects like violent extremism, supremacism, civil rights, and free speech from all over the globe. We then spend a good deal of time training our reviewers worldwide to make sure they can constantly and consistently enforce the new policies, and do so in an unbiased way across different languages and cultures. In addition to our updates on hate speech, we received a lot of feedback this month about our harassment policy. This will be the next policy that we're looking to make changes to. To make it easier to access, you'll now see a new link in your account menu called Your Data and YouTube. This page includes your summary of your YouTube and Google-wide privacy controls, as well as settings to manage this data, and information on how your data is used to improve your experience on YouTube. If you'd like to learn more about this update and other desktop-specific updates, check out the June desktop release notes linked below. As many of you know, YouTube Studio will soon be the default experience for all creators. To help you prepare, we gave you a test drive by automatically defaulting creators into YouTube Studio for just one day in June. We asked you to provide feedback, and you delivered, leaving hundreds of comments in our feedback tool that went straight to the product team. We're already working on a lot of the feedback you gave us, so thank you. We also noticed that many of you asked for features that are already in Studio Beta, so please keep poking around and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in this month, and as always, please let us know what you think in the comments below.
We'll see you next time.
Bye. Sorry, I'll do that again. June.
June.